wonderful.
Gambia.
Thank you so
Born
much.
and raised in New York, and I've been based out of Senegal for over 10 years. So I'm African. My answer is I'm African.
One last thing. No, it's fine.
What's your mother's name?
Lorraine. She's not talking, right?
She's not talking. She's very quiet.
She's not talking.
She's moving, so what kind of movement is she having?
No, I think Kenya, you might go ahead.
This is the food.
Yes, South Africa, no.
Southern Africa?
No, South Africa, no.
You're hot.
Where are you from? Because I've never been.
You have, trust me. Go ahead, tell them.
Why are we still guessing? Let's go for a photo.
No, it's if it's Zimbabwe, then Bulawayo, man. Bulawayo?
Wait, one photo, eh? Before you leave, you can go in the mid. Yeah.
Let's go behind so we can get the kids on top.
Come on, my Nico. Yes, yes.
Let's come this way.
You go in the middle, and then we flank you, eh?
Come in the middle. Come so we're tight. Are you getting a little bit of the kids on top? Need a cultural